I should be doing much more videos of V1S, from how to set it up, how to use it, many things, because I don't see so many videos explaining in details, full details on how to use this. I mean, some errors that people meet, because I made a bunch of errors myself, and it was only until I sat down. And not everything I know about this programmer. I mean, there's still a whole lot that will surprise you every day when you're trying to use it, thinking that is a routine. So yeah, I'm gonna be making videos about the V1SE, and if you have any questions, please link them. Please put them on the comment section, and I'll be answering your question. How to use this is for those who are wondering what is this. This is a programmer. You can program the Face ID. You can program the battery. You can program the screen to have the true tone, not that warning message. But actually, even after you replace the battery, you can program the battery to not give you that warning message. After you have transferred the IC and you program with this, you won't get any trouble. But if you have done it before and you still faced problems, I'm gonna tell you where things went wrong. Sometimes you are not the problem. The problem is with your supplier. They are dishonest. They are not telling you that what they have is not the right stuff. So sometimes you scratch your head too much thinking that you are the problem, but you have never been the problem because you are a pro, right? Of course. So anyone who have the question about this V1S, yeah, some people might be wondering, Albert, why are you not hooking in the 3.8 volt there or 4 volts so that the battery can be activated? Actually, right now I'm not in the activation process. I'm just in that process where I'm reading the battery. All right, yeah, because all the information from the phone, since the phone was on, has been stored onto a chip. So I can now I'm only I don't need much information on the battery. I need the information on the chip. But everything, if I want a full test, I will of course install this one to make sure that everything is well currently on the battery. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. I'll be making more videos on the V1SE and the spot welders, how to transfer the BMS chip to another new battery, stuff like that. And I'll be also putting in the link for those who are in South Africa. I'll be telling you exactly where you can get good, high quality original batteries. All right, yeah. For that, I'll be letting you know. As for screens, you all know only high quality. There is no original screen. Yeah, some are okay, because some are just refurbished screen, but it's a very good quality. So I just prefer to go with the good quality, not original.